Alright, let's talk about one of the most overlooked features on Temu. You've probably seen all the hype around their low prices, but not everyone knows that you can actually get real products from Temu for free. And no, I'm not talking about discounts or points. I mean full-on ship-to-your-door free items. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how the Temu free gift system works and how you can start claiming your own stuff without spending a dime.
So here's the thing. Temu's platform is all about user engagement. They reward users just for being active, logging in, clicking around, and sharing the app. That's where the free gift program comes in. It's a limited time offer that lets you choose from a list of trending products. Things like headphones, home organizers, kitchen tools, even smartwatches. And if you complete a few simple steps, that gift gets shipped to you for free. Pretty crazy, right? Now, here's how to get started. You'll need a working invite code or a referral link. I've dropped mine in the description and pinned comment. Just tap the link and you'll be taken straight to the free gift center. Sometimes it takes a few invites, sometimes just a few taps. It depends on the promo. Okay, so this is where most people get stuck. If you want to speed things up, make sure you're doing a few key things. Open the Temu app multiple times a day. Check your gift progress and complete any bonus tasks. A lot of users don't know that just clicking around can move that progress bar. Also, using the app, not the website, makes a big difference. It updates faster and you get access to features that sometimes don't even show up on the desktop. Well, I've seen people get Bluetooth earbuds, wireless chargers, mini blenders, cosmetic kits, really popular items. And yes, they actually arrive. You just have to follow the steps and stick with it for a day or two. It's not instant, but it's legit. So if you're sleeping on Temu's free gift offers, now's your chance to try it out. Use the link or code in the description, start the gift process, and let me know in the comments what you picked. If this video helped, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.